Good morning. Okay, Divi. I will wait for 2 minutes more. Let others come. Good morning, Chetna. Good morning, Rishabh. So, what about the test structure? You all got the information how the test will come in PT2. Who knows? Raise your hand. किस तरह का टेस्ट में आने वाला है? ओके, चेतना.
मैम हम स्कूल से मैसेज आया था सिर्फ ऑब्जेक्टिव ही होगा हमारा।
इस बार आपका सिर्फ ऑब्जेक्टिव होगा, ठीक है। ऑब्जेक्टिव डजंट मीन कि ओनली एमसीक्यू, उस पे आपका ट्रू फॉल्स हो सकता है, मैच द कॉलम हो सकता है, फिलअप्स हो सकता है, गिव वन वर्ड नहीं होगा क्योंकि वो ऑब्जेक्टिव में नहीं आता है। बाकी इसके अलावा सब कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव में है, ठीक है। सो इट विल कम इन दैट फॉर्म एंड द नाउ हु विल टेल द टोटल मार्क्स? याशिता.
मैम 20
20 मार्क्स का होगा।
Yes, ma'am, 20 marks.
Yes, it is of
Ma'am, I don't think chemistry, biology, and physics will together. Ma'am, I don't think, ma'am, it will.
Yes, Yashita. Yashita. Maulik.
मैम आप लीव हो गए थे। शांति बनाइए। Yeah.
मैम आप म्यूट हो।
Okay. Now is that clear to everyone? तो बेटा 2 chapters will come in biology. One is transportation वाला chapter and the second is reproduction in plants. ये 2 chapters आएंगे आपको biology में. Is that clear? Any doubt? किसी को कुछ पूछना है? See, write in text. किसी को कोई डाउट है? पार्श्व?
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Parth.
And bio.
Maulik.
मैम कौन कौन से चैप्टर? रिप्रोडक्शन इन प्लांट्स और एक और
That transportation.
रिप्रोडक्शन एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन।
Yes.
ओके मैम।
ये दोनों चैप्टर्स रिप्रोडक्शन एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन विनीत, ये दोनों चैप्टर्स आएंगे आपको, ठीक। याद रखना रिप्रोडक्शन एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, इन दोनों में से आपको ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आएंगे। तो आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ मौलिक। यू वांट टू से समथिंग? चलो, so today I am asking you the simple questions of NCERT. I know you know the answers, but still this is the question which I am giving you, you have to write in chat. I will not ask to say anything or don't give answers while raising hand. You have to write this in chat. So first, matchups. Give the correct answer. Students, write fast. You will get 3 minutes again. I think you are searching answers, so don't search the answers. मुझे पता है ये शायद आप लोगों ने प्रैक्टिस करके रखा होगा, इसलिए मैं आप लोगों से पूछ रही हूँ. We are doing the revision of apart from these things. Now today I will take revision of NCERT this chapter, and next week I will take revision of next chapter. And students, remember आपको ये पूरा चैप्टर याद करना है. We will prepare this chapter for half year for final exam also. So we are having the limited questions of objectives in this chapter. So it is better to learn everything. Very good, Parsh. I have got answer from Parsh. I want others answers also. Chetna has given the answer. The first one is Parsh. He has only given the answer at the first. Now Yashita. Maulik. Sanskar. So yes, Yashita Maulik has given to everyone. So students, the correct option is B, D, A, C. Here E option is not correct. So stomata's function is transpiration. Xylem function is transport of water. Root hair's function is absorption of water. And phloem function is transport of food. Yes, it's okay, Maulik. Don't worry. Yashita is not scolding you. He's just reminding you. Now the next question, fill-ups. You take your 5 minutes, 6 minutes and give answers. Very good, Parsh. Again, you did the first. Maulik, write in chat. Yes, Jinisha. आपके पास 8 तक fill-ups है all together. Yes, you have 8 fill-ups all together. Parsh is correct. पीयूष, नॉट लाइक दिस. ऐसे एक एक करके नहीं भेजना है बेटा. मैंने बोला आपको कि एक साथ पूरे भेजने हैं. Very good, Divi. Yashita, good. Yashita, your last is wrong, or might be your spelling is wrong. Harshit, you are in matchups. I think you joined the class late. Very good, Jinisha. Okay, now I'm telling you the answers. Those who don't know the answer, I know you have your answer scheme also, but still I will tell you the answer. The blood from the heart is transported to all parts of the body by the arteries. Maulik, the blood, this is Maulik, circulatory system is a function. So first answer is not circulatory system. सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम एक फंक्शन होता है जिस फंक्शन में आपको ये बताया जाता है कि ब्लड किस तरह से किधर ट्रांसफर हो रहा है एंड हाउ द ऑक्सीजनेटेड एंड डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड गेट बाइफर्केटेड विद द वाल्व्स एंड हाउ दे गेट जनरेटेड एंड हाउ दे आर टेकिंग द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड आउट एंड ऑक्सीजन इन. सो दैट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. अच्छा चलो बताओ मौलिक, व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम?
No, ma'am, nothing. Yes, ma'am, I
मैंने जो
understood.
समझाया वो समझ में आया आपको?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
थैंक यू. हाँ विनीत,
Okay.
किसने उठाया था हाथ? और who had raised hand? Anyone? Yes, Yashita.
Ma'am, 8th one now it's correct.
Yes, it's correct.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, why you unmuted me?
Yashita, you? Okay. Yes, Parsh, wait. Let me tell the answers of these. So second question, second fill up is hemoglobin is present in our red blood cells or RBC. Arteries and veins are joined by a network of capillaries. Fourth, the rhythmic expansion and contraction of the heart is called heartbeat. And the main excretory product in human beings is urea. Sixth, sweat contains water and salt. Seventh, kidneys eliminate the waste material in the liquid form called urine. And the water reaches great heights in the tree because of the suction pull caused by transpiration. Transportation is thoda spelling. Shasan, this word is wrong. You have written banspiration. Okay, so now you have C. Anyone knows, apart from these two MCQs, anyone knows the answer of any of the question, he can raise hand, he or she can raise hand so that we will listen the answer. So first of all, tell the options of third question, and from fourth to the last is the diagrammatic, so leave it. We will do revision of that chapter afterwards. धैर्य, धैर्य, धैर्य जैन.
मैम ये आंसर है मैम.
हाँ बेटा.
यस मैम.
हाँ,
मैम ए आंसर इज xylem.
yes, yes. So don't raise hand for this telling answers. You have to write in chat. I told that from question number 4 to question number 12, anyone knows the answer apart from MCQ, he or she can raise hand. तो क्या होगा कि we all will listen the answers. So I will start with Maulik. I am having 4 students right now in front of me. So let's see which question. Yes, Maulik.
Yes, ma'am.
Which question you want to give the answer?
Ma'am, please, only 11th. Till 11th only.
You want to give the answer of 11?
No, ma'am, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि 11th तक ही है क्या क्वेश्चन?
नहीं बेटा, ये क्वेश्चन नीचे तक है, लेकिन एक क्वेश्चन डायग्रामेटिक है. दिस इज द डायग्रामेटिक क्वेश्चन, तो उसको हम नहीं करना है. सो वी हैव 12 क्वेश्चंस. 12 तक दिख रहा है ना आपको? तो आपको इसमें से
Yes,
कोई
ma'am.
आता है?
मैम सोच के बता रहा हूँ, 2 मिनट का टाइम
तो
दो.
हैंड रेस क्यों किया फिर? सोच के बता रहा हूँ. सोच के रखा करो पहले से सब. दिवी, पार्श्व, हम तुमसे लास्ट में पूछेंगे. तुमसे लास्ट में पूछेंगे हम. हमको पता है तुम्हें सब आता है. यस दिवी.
मैम
अभी नहीं.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 7.
यस दिवी.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 8.
8th question. अच्छा, चलो बताओ. What are the components of blood? Please listen. I will not tell that. Wait, Divi, है ना? See, students, those who will give the answer, I will not listen or I will not tell ki it is correct or not. You people only will say that it is correct. Yes. Or write in chat that if Divi is giving the answer of question number 8, then you have to write in chat. I am giving this responsibility to Parsh or Yashita. Ki please tell me that this answer is correct, or only write correct. Okay, Parsh? Because you only said that you have learned everything. So I am giving you this opportunity to you. So now Divi, Divi now start with the question number 8. What are the components of blood? Yes.
मैम द मेन कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ ब्लड आर रेड
कॉपी से
ब्लड
देख के
सेल्स,
पढ़ रहे हो क्या?
व्हाइट ब्लड. नो मैम.
Okay. बोलो बोलो.
Ma'am, the main components of blood are
Yes.
red blood cells, white
Yes.
blood cells, and platelets.
Okay. Red blood cells, WBCs, and platelets. Is he correct? Okay. Yashita is saying one more is there. दिवी एक और होता है. याशिता, please tell publicly to everyone which is that. Parth has written to me publicly, yes, that is the plasma. तो दिवी आप एक छोड़ दिए थे and that is the plasma. Okay? Okay, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Chalo, my next question is from Maulik. Maulik? Yes, Maulik, you got the chance now. Batao, which question?
Yes, ma'am.
Which question?
Number
Number
10.
10. What makes
The blood look red?
red? Okay.
The RBC is present in the blood, and because of hemoglobin, the blood looks red.
Is it correct? Okay, Parsh said it is correct. Yes. ठीक है. Now, Maulik's chance is over. Now my next is Parsh. Your chance. Now who will tell you are correct or not? Yashita will tell that you are correct or not. Okay.
One question number 4.
Question number 4. Wait. Let me see the question number 4. Yes. Why is transport of materials necessary in a plant or in an animal? Explain.
Ma'am, question number 4.
Yes. Question number 4
Ma'am,
is that.
why is transport of materials?
हाँ, मैंने वही क्वेश्चन पढ़ा है. Why is transport of material necessary in plants or in animals? Explain.
To transport food to various parts of the body, animals need to transport waste to parts from where they can be removed.
Continue.
Transport of materials is necessary in both plants and animals, as every cell needs a regular supply of nutrient and oxygen for releasing energy through respiration.
Very good. So Yashita, it is correct.
That we
Yes, Vineet. Okay. Yashita is saying, please say slowly. Okay. Parsh, Divi, you have another question? You have another question?
Yes, ma'am.
Haan.
Ma'am, question number 7.
Question number 7. Does transpiration serve any useful function in the plants? Explain. Haan. Vineet, how you are able to see this?
Yes,
Vineet. अगर आप लोग अपनी कॉपी से देखकर पढ़ रहे हैं, then you are making fool to yourself. Divi, how much time? Okay, in that time I'll ask with Yashita.
transpiration.
Yes, Yashita, raise your hand. Which question, Yashita?
Ma'am, question number 5.
What will happen if there are no platelets in the blood? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if there are no platelets in blood, ma'am, the blood will not clot and release
and
blood clotting
and it
factors.
will comes out thoroughly.
When
Okay.
yes, ma'am, when we are get injured or something else.
Yes, yes. Okay, good. Parsh, it is correct? Okay, it is correct. Parsh, you are reading answers from somewhere else? Actually, I am having one spy camera and he is complaining me that you are reading answers from somewhere else, even copy or either from Google. That's why you are giving the answers in a hurry, not stopping. So, okay. Now, if you know the every answer, I'll ask 2 questions from these all questions. So, be ready. Any 2 questions. Okay. So, my
Yes,
question
ma'am.
is Parsh, question number 9. Why is blood needed by all the parts of a body? Now, tell the answer in the same flow which you have given in the
Ma'am,
last answer.
platelets in the body distributes food and oxygen to different cells. That's why it is needed.
Okay. So, my next question is, give any 2 functions of stomata.
Ma'am, stomata, ma'am, respire in the plant which exchange gases, and ma'am, it helps in transpiration.
Okay. So, Parsh is not doing cheating. Students, please don't blame if you are not seeing. Even I am also not seeing him. He is giving the answers nicely. So, we will not able to blame him. अगर हमने देखा है तो हम उसको blame कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? So, students, anyone knows the answer? Describe the function of heart. It's okay, student. It's okay. किसी को आता है function of heart? If you don't know the complete answer, you can give half answer. But I want that half answer is correct. It should be correct. No rubbishness. Only one hand is raised. That is only the Parsh hands. Anyone else? किसी और को आता है? Okay. So Parsh, I'm giving chance to you. You only knows the answer, but little slowly, beta, है ना? बहुत जल्दी बोलते हो तो your friends only not able to understand.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, question number 9 now.
11.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the rhythmic beating of the various chambers of the heart maintains the circulation to the different parts of the body. Ma'am, and it provides oxygen and nutrients to maintain their tissue remaining with CO2 and waste.
Okay. Yes, Vineet. Vineet, want to say something? Okay. It's okay. So here for today's, you have only this much revision. Ready for the next chapter? We have the next chapter, that reproduction in plants. Ready for that chapter for next period. Parsh, that is not the matter. Who said? आप बहुत अच्छा पढ़ रहे हो. Be ready with that. Okay? Everyone is your friend. Only I have said that for checking you. Yashita, yes, only objectives for the PT2 test, but you just learn the question answers also. क्योंकि अगर हम रिवीजन कर रहे हैं तो हम एक साथ फाइनल रिवीजन भी स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. Yes, for next chapter. Okay, students. So have a great day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Same to you.